Hey guys, it's the Basic DIY Guy, and I'm here with a video that's probably one of the most asked for video, and that's how to remove your climate control panel along with your radio system on a first generation Hyundai Santa Fe. So the first thing you got to do is there's an ashtray down here, so you got to take it out. Sorry, the lighting is really bad here. I'm in the garage, and there's a clip. Let me just bring a light here. See those two clips? Just pull it down and it comes right out, just like that. And you're left open with this space with two screws on the side. Got one right here and one on the other side. So I'm just going to unscrew this. Alright, so once you unscrew it, you basically just pry this out. You can use your hands, just got to pull it a bit. Make sure you can pull the knobs gently, because if you pull them too hard, the knobs are going to come out. So all you got to do is just pull it out like this. And it comes, actually doesn't come right out because there's connections for the, obviously for the AC. So as you could probably see, let me get a light in here. Let me just pry that out. So you can see there's connections there. So you want to see, as you guys know, I do this with one hand. I'm not professional yet. So you just pry it out, and let me just get this out of the way. You know what, I think it would be better if I pause the video and use two hands, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I got it out, but I'm not going to do anything in terms of fixing anything. I'm just showing you how to remove it, so I'm just going to leave the connections here. Like everything intact, but that's how it should be. Let me just get the light in there. Just moves there. The next thing is there's going to be two screws, and that's going to be in the bottom from what you're. So you remove the panel, the climate control panel, and the bottom right. Let me see if I can get it with the camera. Right there, you see it? Those two. There's one over there. And one under on this side. So I'm just going to remove those with the same screw head that you're using before. Okay, so I took the two screws out. So that was a screw up in here and a screw up in here. Obviously, if you guys want to remove this whole thing, take your time and just remove these. They're just clip-ons. Bring it out here. You see that? You just clip. There's a clip right in the middle, and there's a clip in there on this side. And they just come right out, and they fit one way. So it's not hard to put it back. So just do that. But anyway, so I took the clip out of here and here. And you just gotta pry. And there you go, guys. That's pretty much it. You know what? I'm gonna put the light up here. There you go. So you just pry this out. And that's it. It comes right out. So this video, as you can see, so when you take, this one has an aftermarket, obviously, as you can see. But this comes right out, and you can see it right there. Here, even better, came right out. You see that? Came right out. There you go. So this video is really for two types of people. Those who want to switch out their radio, so the radio's in there. And for those who want to reprogram their key fob. So I made a video on how to make a key fob, and there's two places for the alarm control module. That is under the steering wheel and somewhere in the radio. So when you remove this, just look somewhere in here. I have it under the steering wheel. It should be in here, either clipped onto the side, or screwed onto the side, or screwed onto the top of this, right up here. And that's it. Well, actually not here, because that's where the AC is, or where the vents are. So it'll be somewhere in here. That's where it should be. Somewhere in there. So if it's not under the steering wheel, look into here. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, and you do want to reprogram your key fob, because you bought a new one or something, or you found one, whatever, I'll link the video onto the screen, and you'll click on it, and take you right there. So I'm really sorry for those who really wanted this video, but I was kind of delaying. Finally got the video out. So remember, just to recap, you got, so I'm going to put this back in. You got the air control vents So, you know, I'm going to do this backwards, but I'm not going to screw anything on because that's, you know. So you see that goes right in. The best thing about this, you don't really have to pry anything out, or like with a pry tool or anything, it just almost comes out easily. So to work backwards, so to speak, or sorry, to work from like, you know, from I filmed it, the climate control panel, there is ashtray, and it comes with a clip like that. You just press it down on it and remove it out of the slot. Then there'll be 2 screws, one on each side. You remove those, then you pull this climate control. Once you pull it, you can reach your hand in the back and unclip the wires. And remember, it's easy to come back in. It's one side to go in, so it's not hard to mess up. Once that's out, there's two screws, one here and one here on the bottom. So you just unscrew those 2, and this literally just comes right out. As you guys saw, it comes right out. And you could, if you want to change your radio to whatever, you could do that. Or if you want to reprogram your key fob but couldn't find the control module under the steering wheel, it will be somewhere here. And just on an unrelated note, but related to the key fob, if it's not here or not under the steering wheel, most likely the previous owner, assuming you bought it used, because this is for the first generation Honda Santa Fe, it's probably been removed and the aftermarket is stored. In that case, you only have 2 options: a cheap option and an expensive option. Expensive option is to go to the dealership. The cheaper option is just go with an aftermarket. You know, it's better. And to be completely honest, I'm actually with an aftermarket. I switched it out. This is the aftermarket I have. It's called CompuStar. It has a remote start. It's 2-way, and it's, you know, so I actually don't even have the original key fob anymore. So if you can't find it there, and I prefer the aftermarket. Some prefer original. No problem. So that's pretty much it. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll be trying to upload now on a more weekly basis. I'll try. No promises, but I'll try. And I really appreciate the support, guys, and look forward to more videos for basic DIY, you know, to save yourself some money. So again, thanks guys for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.